Listen carefully because you have two options when it comes to AI. You can choose to use it, or you can get left behind. But here's the issue. There's so much news about AI, and it seems like every new AI is claimed to be the next big thing that will take everyone to the next level. But that's not really true. Let me tell you the truth. Most of the AI tools that everyone talks about won't actually help you in a significant way. Sure, they're cool to have, but beyond that, they won't provide much real help. Let me clarify. An AI tool should do one of two things: either help you make more money or save you more time. AI tools should make your work smoother, not make it more complicated. In today's video, I'll introduce you to 7 AI tools that can do just that. Now, the first AI tool that can potentially boost your earnings and save you time is 10web.io and Durable.co. In the past, building a website required a lot of skills and training. You had to be good at various coding languages, design everything from scratch, and manually write all the code. Only after that, you could start adding your text to the page. This whole process could drag on for weeks, or sometimes even months, depending on how complicated the website was. It was a lengthy, tiring, and, most importantly, expensive procedure. In the late 1990s, even a basic website could cost more than $20,000. Then, tools like WordPress, followed by Wix and Shopify, entered the scene. These tools significantly reduced costs. Suddenly, most people could create at least a very simple website. However, even with these tools available since the 2000s, one problem still remained: time. No matter how you look at it, building a good website, even a simple one, still takes a considerable amount of time. I mean, nowadays, you don't necessarily have to code everything from scratch. You can just input your content into a website builder. But even then, it's a time-consuming process. Getting the design right takes time. Writing the text takes time. Even learning how to use website builders takes time. So much so that many agencies and contractors offer to do it for you. Let's face it, many custom websites are essentially just slightly improved versions of basic Wix templates. To sum it up, building websites isn't easy or quick. This is where AI can make a big difference. Tools like 10web.io and Durable can use AI to create your entire website. AI handles the design, building, writing content, and even finding and adding images. In just a few minutes, you can go from having no website to having one that works well and looks good. All you need to do is provide some basic information, maybe just a few minutes of answering questions. These tools also offer features like built-in SEO, to help your website rank on search engines, and AI recreation. AI recreation lets you show the AI websites you like, and it can create similar ones for you. Of course, once your website is made, you can edit it as you please and even have the tool make changes until it's perfect for you. You can use these AI tools in your own business or even create businesses around them. Many people pay freelancers hundreds of dollars to create basic websites. With these tools, you can outperform those freelancers in minutes and charge higher prices for your services. These are great examples of how AI tools can save time and help you make money. As our attention spans have become shorter over the years, creators need to grab attention quickly. This has led to the dominance of short-form content. Short-form content comes in various forms, and I can speak from experience because, in the past year, I've employed 20 full-time editors solely dedicated to creating short-form content. Of course, that's quite expensive. We have a whole department for it, including a department-led, and it's not a feasible option for most people. That's where tools like OpusClip come in very handy. OpusClip can take any long video and, with just one click, transform it into short-form content. What's particularly impressive is that the AI can identify the most engaging parts of the video and piece them together with the relevant highlights, effectively removing the boring bits. This significantly increases your chances of going viral. The AI Copilot feature also lets you clip specific parts of a video based on keywords. This tool is probably one of the best investments on this list, especially given how popular short-form content is. Short-form content is here to stay, and tools like OpusClip can not only save you time and money but also serve as the foundation for a profitable business. Even though there are already many short-form agencies out there, they still work well. Tools like Opus can help you make a substantial income and attract a large audience. Now, let's move on to the next AI tool, which is ChatGPT Writer. This tool is a time saver and simplifies your workflow. ChatGPT Writer is a straightforward Chrome extension that uses ChatGPT to streamline your email responses. In the past, one of the main uses of AI was for simple writing tasks. But there was a small issue: the time it took to set up ChatGPT, copy and paste the email, write a prompt to read and reply to the email, and handle all the basics probably made it faster to just respond to the email manually. Here's where ChatGPT Writer comes to the rescue. It's a simple ChatGPT-based tool that removes all that hassle from using AI for email responses. It's incredibly easy to use and saves you time in the long run. Now, let's talk about Tidio. Tidio's AI Liro can either assist or completely replace your support team while boosting sales on your website. This means you can either save money by hiring fewer staff or make more money by offering a better customer experience. Both of these outcomes lead to increased income for you. Tidio AI is essentially a chatbot powered by AI. It can either replace lengthy, frequently asked questions or quickly respond to customer inquiries. This can significantly improve your website's conversion rates by making the customer experience smoother. Instead of cluttering your website with numerous frequently asked questions that may still leave some questions unanswered, you can now input all that information into AI, which can effectively answer all your customers' queries. The AI can even handle more complex inquiries, such as order fulfillment or restocking, by accessing your database. The second benefit of using AI like Tidio is that it helps your human customer support team work more efficiently. Tidio is a text-based AI that can take your support agents' quick, rough responses and turn them into well-crafted sentences that match your company's brand. However, if a customer asks a question that the AI doesn't know the answer to, it will automatically direct them to a human agent. Here's the interesting part. Liro, the AI, can handle 70% of your customers' questions. This means your support team can assist more people in less time, resulting in happier customers and ultimately more sales. Now, let's move on to the next AI tool, which can benefit just about anyone and save a significant amount of time. Have you ever had to read through a seemingly endless contract, a lengthy document for a class, or a report for work? If you've ever found yourself in that situation, then DocuAsk can be a huge time saver. With DocuAsk, you no longer have to read those long, tedious documents. While there are tools that can summarize text, DocuAsk goes beyond that. Summaries are just that, summaries, and they may miss important details. However, with DocuAsk, you can take any document and have it analyzed so you can ask questions about it in a chat box. Extracting information from documents has never been easier. You no longer have to spend hours scouring through documents, you can simply use AI. Next, we have an AI tool that I've mentioned before but is arguably one of the most valuable on this list: Microsoft's Copilot. Copilot seamlessly integrates with Microsoft's suite of products, allowing it to perform various tasks, from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to creating PowerPoint presentations. It can even transcribe notes during a Microsoft Teams meeting, provide a summary of key points and action items, and carry out those actions, such as creating a presentation. Copilot can save you significant time, especially if you've ever had to create a PowerPoint presentation, which can be a time-consuming task. It also knows your calendar, helping you prepare for upcoming meetings. Additionally, Copilot can generate reports and other Word documents based on your previous work. It can even handle email responses for you. Copilot exemplifies how AI can streamline your workflow and increase efficiency, making it a valuable tool for individuals across various professions, especially if you use Microsoft's products. Lastly, let's talk about Adobe Firefly, one of the most remarkable AI tools. While most tools on this list save you time or money by automating tasks, Adobe Firefly takes AI to the next level. It provides leverage, which is what makes AI so powerful in the first place. Before AI, you'd spend hours on a task or pay someone to spend hours on it. Now, you essentially have a cost-effective employee in AI. However, Adobe Firefly is different. It enables you to do things that were previously impossible. This AI is incredibly valuable because it not only makes your work easier but also significantly improves it, ultimately increasing your earnings. Let me explain how it works. Firefly is a generative AI-powered content creation tool. It can create various things. Let's explore 3 examples and how they can benefit you. First, Firefly can generate realistic images from detailed text descriptions. This is incredibly handy for product photography or any scenario where you need visual depictions. Normally, you'd require a team of graphic designers and artists, but now you can simply ask the AI to do it for you. This means you can elevate the quality of your work without increasing your expenses. Second, Firefly offers generative fill, which means it can add or remove objects in a photo. If you want to change your outfit in a photo, this AI can do it for you. It can perform tasks that would be otherwise impossible or would require a Photoshop expert. Even better, Firefly does it in a way that looks completely natural. You can also turn your sketches into lifelike images and much more. If you're involved in content creation, Firefly is a must-have tool for both easy fixes and exploring new ideas. Soon, Firefly will even generate images from 3D elements. Here's the bottom line. The AI revolution we're experiencing is no different from past technological revolutions. With every boom, there's an inevitable bust. The key is to distinguish what will endure from what won't and seize the opportunities presented by lasting trends. Now that you have these 7 tools to help you save time and make money, it's time to put them to work. I'll be watching and rooting for your success from afar, as always.